Here's the key. You ready? Akrapovic exhaust. Sounds unbelievable. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It makes a huge difference with Nick Joseph Cars. Help me build my channel. Thank you. This is the all-new 2022 Huracan EVO all-wheel drive with the Akrapovic exhaust. Beautiful verde mantis V10 5.2 liter V10 naturally aspirated from Santa Galla Bolognese in Italy. Featuring a titanium Akrapovic exhaust with glowing blue pipes. Super loud. Green carbon ceramic brakes. Beautiful verde mantis. Let's open this up. Here's the key. There it goes. The handle comes out for you. Let's see this beautiful interior. It's got the Cusa Tara with the green piping. Beautiful Huracan EVO. Wow. Unbelievable with the forged composites. Shall we start it? Let's start it. Sensonum sound system. Huracan EVO, wow. It's got like an iPad display, pretty cool. Let's start it. Flip the rocket launch button. Sport. Corsa. Exhaust shuts off. Beautiful infotainment. Vehicle. LDVI. Pretty much fully loaded. All-wheel steer. Beautiful. Beautiful mats. Huracan EVO. Green piping, leather piping. Beautiful, beautiful car. Even on the ceilings. Beautiful. These buttons, these to flash the high beams. Turn indicators. Change some settings. Your anima toggle. Anima meaning the soul of the car. Sport, of course. Throttle the exhaust off. Cruise control. Wiper blades. This vehicle has the lift system. Lifting system. Let's engage the lift, see how long it takes. Just engaged it. Lifting, lifting, lifting. Lifting, 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 still lifting. Wow, it's like 15 seconds. Okay, let's disengage the lift now. Okay, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. You can see slightly that we're going down. And it's off. That was quick to go down. It actually has the $1,000 cup holder that you can't fit anything in. Small compartment here. Underneath here we have a small compartment too. Reverse, parking brake, center console with nothing. Has Apple CarPlay and some netting. And you can see the V10 engine right behind you. through this rear view mirror. Yep. Beautiful car. Benzina. Nothing is in English in this car. Benzina for gas. Strada. Sport. Corsa. No English. Lamborghini. All forged composites throughout this interior is beautiful, and it has the Sensonum sound system. Believe it or not, this sound system sounds great. The radio sounds horrible, but the sound system sounds great. All you gotta do is plug in your phone to Apple CarPlay and it will sound unbelievable. Trust me. Try it. Just mess with the settings over here for bass. Up the bass a little bit and it'll be crisp. Good to go. Okay, let's shut it off and go back outside. Take a look at the car from the outside again. Huracan EVO. It's a challenge to get out of this car. No big deal. Let's see what we got in the front. See how much storage space we got. Open it. See what we got here. Not much. Not much at all, but Lamborghini, what are you gonna do? Just how it is. Let's shut it. It's got the paint protection film here from the factory. Lamborghini paint protection film. The aerodynamics of the car. Air flows underneath the car through these canards to the back, to the ducktail spoiler, increasing aerodynamic efficiency over the 610-4 by 50%. The Performante obviously has more aero, but this is comparing it to the 610-4, which is the predecessor of the Huracan EVO. See the fins, the rear diffuser, sensors everywhere, the Akrapovic titanium exhaust. Sounds wicked. The V10 engine, unbelievable sound. We'll show you now. Beautiful rims. Okay, we're gonna start it. Let's see how this baby purrs. First, we're gonna go to sport mode. Exhaust. You ready? Now we're going to drive at 5,000 RPM, just a regular speed. There's the downshifts, the pop. And this is the Huracan EVO with the Akrapovic exhaust, the all-wheel drive model. cannot describe how great this car is. I get it, it's not the fastest car, but this car, the handling, unbelievable. Just words cannot describe